Section 5. SEO Optimization for Increased Visibility.
Let's talk about Search Engine Optimization SEO, a powerful tool that helps
Boost your website's organic visibility on search engine result pages.
conduct keyword research to understand what your target audience is searching for,
And optimize your website's content, meta tags, and URLs accordingly.
invest in quality backlinks, and explore local SEO strategies to rank higher in region-specific searches.
Section 6. Email Marketing and Personalized Campaigns.
Never underestimate the power of email marketing.
Build an email list through your website or in-store signals and craft personalized campaigns that speak directly to your customers' needs.
Segment your audience, tailor your messaging, and offer exclusive promotions or personalized recommendations.
Keep your email content visually appealing, concise, and mobile-friendly for maximum impact. Section 7. Leverage user-generated content.
User-generated content (UGC) is like golden currency in today's marketing landscape. Encourage your customers to share their experiences with your product or service through testimonials, reviews, or social media posts.
Repost this content on your website, social media platforms, or even in offline marketing materials like brochures or flyers.
UGC provides social proof and builds trust, attracting new customers to your business. Section 8. Track and analyze your data.
Lastly, don't forget to track and analyze your marketing efforts. Utilize tools like Google Analytics, social media insights, or CRM software to
Understand your audience's behavior, demographics, and preferences.
regularly review your marketing metrics and adjust your strategies based on the data you collect. This will ensure you make data-driven decisions and optimize your marketing campaigns for long-term success. Conclusion, post, and that wraps up our guide to effective marketing strategies for small businesses. By establishing a strong brand identity, creating valuable content, leveraging social media and influencers,
Optimizing for search engines, utilizing email marketing and UGC, and tracking your data, you're well on your way to marketing success. Remember, consistency, creativity, and adaptability are key. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay marketing savvy and stay ahead of the competition.